Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something that I use anytime I have like a little stain or something on my clothes before I do my laundry. It's Shout. I don't know if you guys have heard of it before. You probably have because it's pretty popular. This is Shout Triple Acting Laundry Stain Remover. It's by Johnson, a family company. I'm sure you've heard of Johnson or Johnson & Johnson before. So they make this product. It's great. I kind of grew up using this. My mom used to use it in the house to get rid of stains when me and my brother were kids. And now as an adult, I always make sure that I have it in the house because, I don't know, you never know. You get like a grease stain on you, oil stain. Like my husband dropped pizza on himself the other day, so like I had to make sure I use the Shout a little bit to get the oil stain out. Salad dressing, just common things that might stain clothes and not be able to come out in the wash. So this is a 30 floral ounce container, 1 pint, 14 ounce, 887 milliliters. It removes stains the first time guaranteed, or it's free. It's a triple acting product, so it clings, penetrates, and lifts. And this is a 36% more value pack. Let's go on the side here, on the back. Okay, so Shout has the target sign, clings, penetrates, and lifts. Get help on the spot from Shout. Call 800-558-5252, or you could go to www.shoutitout.com. Very simple directions here on the back. So turn to on, meaning this right here. So I turned mine to on because this is like twistable. So you could either put it off. What does it say? On. It says off. Off, yes. You could either turn it off or on. So mine is currently on. So number 1, turn to on. Number 2, cover the stain with Shout formula and rub in. Wait 1 to 5 minutes. Launder in warmest water. Fabric will accept. 4, to refill, unscrew cap and pour Shout liquid into bottle. Tips: treat stains while fresh. When treating tough stains, let set overnight or longer before washing. Shout is safe for all colorfast washables. Fabrics which do not bleed or fade. Not recommended for use on silk or wool. Stains like rust, bleach damage, dried paint, ink, or dyes may be impossible for any stain treater to remove. Do not mix with other household products and do not treat garment while wearing. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Environmental facts here: contains no phosphorus, bottle made of 30% post-consumer content, please recycle. Ingredients are water, ethylated alcohol, citric acid, sodium hydroxide, sodium borate, acrylic copolymer, polycerylate polymer, benzoyl subtilicin, fragrance, dodecanol, SCJ formula 354I54, and you can learn more at www.scjohnson.com, a family company since 1886. Frank Johnson or Fred Johnson. There's the barcode. Questions or comments, you could call 800-558-5252 or write Helen Johnson, copyright 2014, SC Johnson & Johnson Incorporated, Racine, Wisconsin, all rights reserved. 30 ounces at 22 floral ounce price. Works in HE and standard washers. I just have like a regular standard washer and it works great for that. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on my pants. I don't have a stain on these, but just want to show you guys what it looks like. So it's just easy to spray on. You could kind of like rub in. And it has like no bleach or anything, so it's good for like any colors or anything like that. All color safe. And then again, what does it say? Not safe for certain fabrics. Not recommended for use on silk or wool. So I would say it's perfect for like grease stains if you have kids and like they're making a mess on the playground and their clothes are all dirty. I definitely suggest it. So it's always great to have in the laundry room just in case, and great for pre-treating stains. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try out Shout Triple Acting Laundry Stain Remover, and I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.